In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the telecommunications industry stands at the forefront of innovation. At the heart of this transformation lies artificial intelligence, revolutionizing the way we communicate, connect, and consume data. With the power of AI, telecom companies are optimizing network performance, enhancing customer experiences, and unlocking unprecedented insights from massive volumes of data. Network optimization algorithms continuously analyze traffic patterns and adjust resources in real time, ensuring seamless connectivity even during peak hours. Predictive maintenance powered by AI anticipates potential faults before they occur, reducing downtime and ensuring uninterrupted service. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants provide personalized customer support, offering instant solutions and enhancing user satisfaction. Moreover, AI enables telecom companies to harness the immense potential of big data. Analyzing vast datasets allows them to make data-driven decisions, from targeted marketing campaigns to strategic network expansions. By leveraging AI-powered analytics, telecom providers gain valuable insights into consumer behavior, enabling them to tailor services to individual preferences and anticipate market trends. As AI continues to evolve, its integration into the telecom sector will drive unprecedented innovation, efficiency, and connectivity, shaping the future of communication for generations to come. Embrace the power of AI in telecom and unlock limitless possibilities.